Hello students, we are going to see the first case study, and once the recording is completed in Tally, I just tell you how to write down the case study in case of the theory examination. Okay, let's see the case study. Journalize the transactions given below. The first transaction, Samir started his business with rupees 70,000. This particular transaction has to be recorded in receipt voucher. In this case, debit will be cash and credit will be the capital. Now let's go back to Tally. We are going to create a new company for this particular case study. Company info, create company. And the name will be, I just take here, case study 1. The mailing name also will be same. Address we are not going to provide. It is for the country India, that is statutory compliance. And rest all we will keep it as default. Right? Okay, right now we will select for accounts only because only accounting transactions are available, right? And the financial year will be from 1st of April 2021. Then later comes out with accept question mark, press Y from the keyboard to create this one. Right now the company is created and here we can see on the left hand side case study 1, gateway of Tally and transactions. Directly we will go back to accounting vouchers. Right, payment voucher is opened. Right now we have to select for receipt voucher which is available on the right hand side. Here comes out with receipt voucher and the shortcut key is F6. Just click on this one. What is credit here? Capital account. It has to be created, right? To create this particular ledger account, we have to press the shortcut key, that will be Alt C. Capital account, alias we will keep it blank. And this has to be allocated under the group capital account. Then later we can provide the mailing details like name, address, state, PIN code, tax information. Accept question mark, press Y from the keyboard. What is the amount given? 70,000. Right. Debit will be cash. It is already provided by the Tally. Don't create it. It is already available. Just select for cash 70,000. Type the narration. Accept question mark. Press Y from the keyboard. Now we will see the second transaction. He opens a bank account and deposits rupees 5,000. In this case, the cash is going out. For that sake, cash will be credit and we have to open here the bank account and the bank account will be debit. If there is any fund transfer, in that case, it has to be recorded under the contra voucher. If there is any transaction between cash, bank, cash, cash and cash, in that case, it has to be recorded under the contra voucher. Now let's see this particular recording in Tally. Now select for contra voucher and the shortcut key is function key F4. Just click on this one. Credit will be cash. Amount is 5,000. Debit, we have to go for creating the bank account. To create this one, just press Alt C. Bank account. Alias will be blank. Under the group, that will be bank accounts. Provide the mailing details, name, account number, address, state, PIN code. Later we have to save this one. Accept question mark, press Y from the keyboard. 5,000, type the narration. Later save this particular transaction. Press Y from the keyboard. Now next transaction, purchased furniture of rupees 40,000 and machinery for rupees 3,000 from Rajesh. This is on credit basis. Purchase of fixed asset on credit basis. It has to be recorded only in journal voucher. We cannot record purchase of fixed asset under the purchase voucher. Think that if we are paying the cash and we are purchasing furniture and machinery, in that case it has to be recorded under the payment voucher. But right now this is on credit basis, for that sake it has to be recorded under the journal voucher. Let's see this particular recording. Now we have to select for journal voucher and the function key is F7. Just click on this one. Debit will be furniture account. This has to be created. Alt C to create. Alias blank. This has to be allocated under the group fixed assets. Save. Amount 40,000. Credit will come, just type D, debit, and here we have to go for creating one more, that will be machinery account. Alt C to create. Alias blank, fixed assets, save. Amount is 3,000. Credit, here we have to go for creating Rajesh account. To create this one, press Alt C. Rajesh account, alias blank. This has to be allocated under the group sundry creditors. Provide the mailing details, tax information, save. On account, type the narration, later save the transaction. Right now the next transaction, purchased goods for rupees 15,000. It's in the form of cash. For that sake, this particular transaction can be recorded either in the payment voucher or purchase voucher. In this particular case, right now, the debit will be purchase account and the credit will be cash, and we will record this particular transaction in payment voucher. Okay. Now let's go back to Tally. Select for payment voucher and the shortcut key is function key F5. Just click on this one. What is debit here? Purchase account. This has to be created. Alt C to create. Alias blank. Under purchase account, just type P. Save. What's the amount given? 15,000. Credit, it's in the form of cash. 15,000. Type the narration, save. Next transaction, sold goods for rupees 25,000. It's in the form of cash. For that sake, this can be recorded either in the receipt voucher or sales voucher. In this particular case, debit will be cash and credit will be the sales account. Now let's see this particular recording. We will record this one and receipt voucher. Just click on this one. Credit sales account has to be created. I'll see to create. Alias blank. Under the group sales account. Save. Amount is 25,000. Debit cash 25,000. Type the narration, save. Press Y from the keyboard. Now let's see the next transaction, that is purchased goods from Raj and Company. The amount is 12,000. This has to be recorded under the voucher. That will be the purchase voucher because it's in the form of credit basis. Now let's see this particular recording. Now select for purchase voucher and the shortcut key is function key F9. Just click on this one. Reference number we are not providing. Credit will be here. We have to go for creating Raj and Company. Right. Okay. To create this one, just press here Alt C. Alias will be blank and this has to be allocated under the group that will be sundry creditors. Provide the mailing details, tax information, later save this one by pressing Y from the keyboard. What is the amount given here? 12,000. New reference will come for purchase and the sales voucher. Reference number is not provided, for that sake it is taking here the voucher number. Due date, or even we can provide here the credit days also, whether it is for 15 days, 20 days, that also can be provided here. Amount, then debit will be purchase account, it is already created. Just type P, purchase account 12,000, type the narration, later save. Press Y from the keyboard. Now the next transaction, paid wages of ₹1,000. This has to be recorded under the voucher, payment voucher, and here the debit will be wages account and credit will be the cash. Let's see the recording. Select for payment voucher. Then debit will be wages account. This has to be created. Alt C to create. Wages account alias blank, and this has to be allocated under the group that will be direct expenses. Just type D, down arrow key, save. What is the amount given here? 1,000. Credit, this will be cash. Type the narration, later save. Now the next transaction, purchased a machine of ₹2,100 from General Motors on credit. It is purchase of fixed asset and it is on credit basis. It has to be recorded only in journal voucher. Please don't record this particular transaction in purchase voucher because it is of purchase of fixed asset. In this particular case, debit will be machinery and credit will be General Motors. Let's see this particular recording. Select for journal voucher and the function key is function key F7. Just click on this one. Debit will be machinery account. It is already created. Don't create again and again. 2100. Enter. Credit will be General Motors. This has to be created. To create this one, press Alt C. Alias blank, and this has to be allocated under the group sundry creditors. type S, down arrow key. If we are not interested in filling other details, usually in case of real accounting we have to fill all the details, but right now we are just creating it. Okay, in that case we can save and quit back. In that case just press Ctrl A. Ctrl and A has to be pressed to save and quit back. 2100 on account, amount, type the narration, later save. Now the last transaction, sold goods to Sharma and Company for rupees 12,000. It is in the form of credit basis. This has to be recorded only in sales voucher. In this particular case, debit will be Sharma and Company and credit will be the sales account. Let's see this particular recording. Now select for sales voucher and the function key is F8. Just click on this one. Right. This is opened in invoice mode. This has to be converted back to voucher mode. Bottom right hand side here we can see as voucher. Right. Just click on this one. Reference number can be provided here. Debit. This has to be created. To create this one, I'll see Sharma and Company alias blank. This has to be allocated under the group sundry debtors. Provide the mailing details, tax information, later save. What is the amount given here? 12,000. Right. New reference will come for sales and purchase voucher. This is taking here the voucher number for the sales because we have not provided the reference. Due date or credit days can be provided here, whether it is for 10 days, 15 days, or even we can provide the due date also. Amount. Sales account, it is already created. 12,000, type the narration, later save. This completes the case study, and now let's see how to write down in case of theory examination. While writing in case of theory examination, two tables has to be created. The first table contains two column headings. One will be the ledger name, the other one will be group to be allocated. Check the transaction and later recognize the ledger account heads and provide the name, and here we have to provide under which group it has to be allocated. For example, capital account, capital account, bank account, bank accounts, furniture account, fixed asset, machinery account, fixed assets. The same way for all the transactions, whatever the ledger accounts will come, that has to be created, that has to be written here, and in the same way on the other side, under which particular group it has to be allocated. This is regarding about the first table. Coming to the second table. In case of second table, this consists of 5 different column headings, 5 different columns. The first one is serial number, the second one is voucher type, the third one is credit or debit, account name, amount. As per the first transaction, what is the name of the voucher? Receipt voucher. What will be debit? What will be credit? Debit, cash, 70,000. Credit, capital account, 70,000. Second transaction, Provide the voucher type, contra voucher. Debit, bank account 5,000. Credit, cash 5,000. Check the third transaction. Provide the voucher name, that is journal. Debit, furniture account 40,000. Debit, machinery account 3,000. Then credit, Rajesh 43,000. This way we have to write for all the transactions. Okay. And in the same way the handbook also will be uploaded on the SharePoint. Thank you. Keep watching the videos which are uploaded on the channel.